Hello and welcome back to Good Morning Money. I'm your host, Rosha Intezari. I'm a business coach and consultant who's dedicated to helping people make more money and grow their businesses. Every day, I bring you a sip of success, some practical tips to boost your financial knowledge and success. Today, I'll be summarizing the key money insight we shared in August. So I'm going to create 2 more episodes and we're going to talk about marketing and mindset as well. So the focus of this one is a recap on our financial episodes. We talked about budgeting basics. We started the month by emphasizing the importance of tracking your income and expenses. Categorizing spending helps you see where adjustments can be made. Then we talked about some saving tips. I shared how small changes like automating your savings and cutting impulse purchases can lead to significant financial improvements over time. Then we talked about Investment 101. You learned about basic investment options, stocks, bonds, and diversifications. The key takeaway is that investing is a long-term game. We also talked about credit scores. We explored the importance of maintaining a strong credit score through timely bill payments and low credit utilization. And then we talked about emergency fund, or what I like to call security fund. We discussed the need to build an emergency or security fund to cover 3 to 6 months worth of expenses for unexpected situations. That's a wrap for August money tips. If you have any questions or you want to share what you like most, message me on social media. I'm Rosh the Firewalker on Instagram and Rosha Intezari on LinkedIn. Or join my community, Cafe Society, where we help people make more money by talking about anything that is money related, either finances, marketing tips, and also some mindset stuff. So if you're interested to join Cafe Society, make sure to find me somewhere on social media or email me at rosha@roshdcoaching.com. Let's keep growing together. Cheers.